Hey champions, my name is Eugene Chang from Freedom Profits and welcome to today's presentation on how to use Amazon Video Shorts to increase conversion rate and ultimately generate more sales. An important note here is that Amazon recently rolled out this feature to brand registered sellers only. So if you're not brand registered, then I'm afraid you won't be able to implement this strategy. And for those who are brand registered, you can access a lot of powerful features from Amazon, such as enhanced brand content, Amazon storefront. Now here's another opportunity for you to increase your conversion rate and generate more sales. So get your pen and paper ready to take notes, and if you miss any important information, you can always refer back to this video. Awesome. So let's rock and roll. So what will you learn in this presentation? Of course, you will learn the 5-step process to upload Amazon Video Shorts onto your product listings, and I will go through all this in detail, so be sure to take notes. So just a quick introduction. So if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then of course a product video could very well be worth 1,000 sales. Videos are very entertaining, they're visual, and it's a great way to showcase your brand and your products. Now, considering videos now appear more often in search results pages or on Google, and viewers are more likely to buy after watching a product video, sellers need to be taking advantage of this strategy to generate more sales. Now, video is also an effective form of communication that needs to be integrated into each and every aspect of your marketing strategy. Now, here are the 5 simple steps to upload the video shorts for a product. It is important to follow Amazon's guideline for videos, and you can check out this Amazon video shorts page, and you can use this as a guideline and also inspiration as well when you're making your video shorts. So just go to www.amazon.com/video-shorts, and you can view all the video shorts in there. Type in the search bar, search for similar videos for it could be your competitors' video shorts, or could be any video shorts that you can get inspiration from to create your very own. So let's go straight to step 1, which is to navigate to your product listing. This is pretty straightforward. So all you need to do is navigate to your product listing that you want to upload a video for. Just scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the related video shorts section just below the product details section. So there's a little button here, blue button there to upload your video. So click on it and it will take you to the next step. So I've censored the product details information here for privacy purposes. So in step 2, you need to select the relevant category for your video. So Amazon will prompt you for video category, and these are the 7 types of categories to select from. The first one is unboxing. So for instance, you can upload a video of you unboxing your product, explaining it in details what customers will receive when they buy your product. The second one is the product demonstration. So it's pretty straightforward. For instance, if you're selling iPhone screen protector, you can have a video of you applying the screen protector onto your phone. Third one is setup type of video. So this could be the video of you setting up a wireless headphones or a Bluetooth speaker that you're selling. And the fourth one is troubleshooting. This is more of a video related to electronics or products that require step-by-step instructions. For instance, troubleshooting a water sprinkler system, should it not work as expected. You can have a video of that as well. So if customers bought your water sprinkler system and they have trouble setting it up, they can just watch this video and you'll help them solve their problem. So the fifth one is a comparison video. This could be a video of you comparing a plastic garlic press and also a stainless steel garlic press, explaining all the pros and cons of both products. Of course, it's advised for you to not have your competitors' product in here, just so you don't violate Amazon's video policy. Now the next one is the how-to video. Again, this is pretty straightforward. Videos on how to make a banana smoothie, for example, and how to polish leather shoes, how to style your hair with this hair wax, and etc. There's a lot of type of how-to videos with this, and this is, I guess, one of the popular videos that you'll find. And also alongside an unboxing as well, and very similar to product demonstration video. So the last one is the other type. So if this type of video isn't listed above, then your type of video isn't listed above here, and you definitely want to select this. And also, most importantly, select the relevant category for your video that you want to upload and proceed to the next step. So yep, so once you next is to select and upload your video from your local file on your laptop or your computer. Keep in mind that you want to upload a video that will benefit the viewers and giving them a reason to buy your product. Also, keep your video short and precise so you don't bore your viewers. Plus, Amazon called it video short, for a reason. Now, once you've uploaded the video, you can see a snapshot, a snapshot here. And you can also add a custom thumbnail for this as well. So perhaps you can add a couple of simple text in front of the video, like say for example, how to ... or unboxing this product and etc. So once you upload the video, the next step is you need to insert the video title and also the description. And description is optional, but of course it's best to insert the description that is most relevant to your video, and also keep it consistent with your product listing. For instance, if the video is a tutorial on using a garlic press, then your title will be something along the lines of tutorial video. Learn how to use a stainless steel garlic press to save time in the kitchen. Now, here's an important tip right here, is to insert keywords in your video title and also in the description as well for better Amazon SEO and rankings. Also, you can insert benefits or benefit of your product to educate viewers and persuade them to buy it. So once you've done, you can view and manage your videos by going to your Amazon, your account, and then selecting your uploaded video CX explained by Amazon. So once you're done, click the submit button and it'll take you to the next step. And you need to wait for Amazon to approve your video, and this is a simple message that Amazon will pop up for you. So you can manage your uploaded videos in Amazon's Creator Hub. So all you need to do is just go to amazon.com/creator hub, and you will be able to view your videos, list of videos that you uploaded, and you will see it. So this is a sample screenshot right here, and Amazon usually takes about 24 to 72 hours to approve your video, and it really depends. And Amazon will not give you any reason again, your uploaded video is rejected, and you really need to figure it out yourself and try again. So it could be a video that, if it's not, I'm pretty sure that video that you try to upsell the product too much, it will get rejected. So yeah, just make sure you follow Amazon's guidelines for the video. And we can always expect Amazon to shift its focus towards videos right now, as brand registered sellers are able to include videos in their Amazon storefront and also product listings. So personalized videos allow shoppers to better understand your product, which will help increase sales conversion. And before I end this presentation, I'm just going to leave this quote with you. Progress is impossible without change. So change makes us grow. So it's important that Amazon's always changing and consistently with all the new updates, and it's important that sellers, we as sellers, we follow it, we abide by the rule, Amazon's rule. Test it out, all the new features that you want to use, any promotions, and not cry about it. If there's any changes made and you can't utilize it, or it affected your sales. We have to be really adaptable to the environment, and when, because Amazon's, no matter what, Amazon's it's constantly evolving, and they're going to be changing a lot more in the regulations and the rules in the future as well. So thank you very much for watching my presentation up to this point. I hope you really enjoyed this as much as I did, creating this for you all. Now, just a quick question: how did you go with that? I hope you gained a lot of insights and written down a lot of notes. So just comment below if you're excited to implement this strategy, this 5-step video strategy for your Amazon business. So thanks and goodbye.